Come on, Dickie. If you really love me, come on, get the flowers. Oh my God! Oh, falling for somebody is quite complicated. What do I do next?
See, the flower is withering.
Oh, that's very bad.
Hello.
Dicte, did you say that the people from yesterday who said that they were planning to give Mom a present were a bunch of friends?
Yes. Did you find out who they were?
I haven't found anyone who would play pranks on Mom.
That's strange.
Did you recognize the caller from his voice?
I have never heard of his voice. He sounded middle-aged and confident.
Is there someone among your friends who love to joke around?
I don't think there's anyone who would joke to the extent of crossing others. What about the bank? Any news?
Well, I think it's getting more strange. The one who signed on Sang's check also knows how to forge Sang's signature. It's really eating up my mind.
Okay, Vala, you go and water it. I think it'll be better.
No. It's your turn. Go and water it.
Okay then, just one more thing. Check the mailbox to see if there is a letter from the bank.
Okay, let me check it out. What do you think you're doing, Zava?
Ah, the flowers. I am watering it.
Oh, SANGPUII, are you there?
Yes, Mom. What is it? Come in.
What happened? You were always in your room?
Mom, nobody gave me anything.
Yes, and I believe you. Don't take it so badly.
I keep coming home later than I wanted.
I think you were getting restless. Any news?
No, not yet. Everything is still the same.
Don't think about it too much. Today, Sangi and I had a talk, and everything worked out between us. Remember our family code. We firmly believe no one is outrightly evil.
You were right, Mom. Dickie! Dicte! Did you find the letter from the bank?
Yes, but it's a little bit wet.
But it didn't even rain. What happened?
I accidentally wet it.
Where is it?
I already gave it to SANGPUII along with other letters.
She did? Uzam, would you please come into the room? There's yet something to talk about.
Okay, what is it this time? I thought everything was getting all right.
Mom, this time, it's something I must discuss with only him.
Excuse me, I think I need to know all about this. What's wrong?
Mom, everything between you and me is fine. I trust you. But look at Zama. His girlfriend has sent him a card. It hurts me so much.
I told you, I have no girlfriend, Mom.
Is that so? What's the meaning of this, my son? How are we supposed to build a family this way? Maybe there has been a silly mistake committed in all this. No, it can't entirely be that, Zama. Do you have a confession to make? Confess to us now and here.
I have nothing to confess, Mom. I am completely faithful to Sangi. Do not believe this card. Maybe someone is kidding with me.
It cannot entirely be all that.
Exactly. There's something going on.
Can't you see I have nothing to say? Mom, I also trusted you of what you said about Sangi's bank account and the supposedly lost gift. Now, when I have a problem, are you not going to believe me?
This is very bad. We have been caught in some kind of a trap.
Oh, we are here. We are just here.
Oh, who are you? Can I help you?
My name is Vala, and this is my friend, Zoliana.
Oh, I see. Is there anything you want? Please come in. Come in.
Oh, we've come here to... It's nothing. It's really nothing.
What is it that you want exactly?
It's Dicky that we want.
Oh, I see. You are Dicky's friends? She is giving home tuition. It's already time for her to be back. You can wait for her.
And we want to apologize for something.
Is there anything to apologize for?
It's just that Dicky, we are joking around with her. We might have hurt her feelings, so we are here to explain.
That's what we want to know about.
It's kind of personal matter.
Is it something you have to say when Dicky arrives?
No. I can tell you right now. We sent a flower and Dicky...
I see. And you told Dicky. But you didn't send a flower to my wife Sangi.
Not exactly. Who is Sangi anyway?
Sangi and Dicky studied in the same college. Didn't you know that? And you tried to send her something without knowing her.
No. We may not know her. But our friend surely knows her. We did go to same college.
We wanted to send someone to deliver it, but we didn't know anyone. But they say in times like this, one should deliver it in person. So we just delivered it today, even though we were quite shy. Dicky...
You're so kind. Since you did not send it through Sangi, our family was almost in trouble. Thank you so much. I'm Mrs. Remy.
So, where is the flower then?
It's all right, my son. Dicky must have put it away. And for remembering an old lady like me, who would not have received any honor. Hey, here, things are starting to get all right. Will you please make some tea for them?
What you have done is quite wonderful and unusual. How many members are you anyway? You must be having good advisors.
It is just the two of us who are still single. That is why...
Shut up, Zava. We are not that desperate.
Oh, Zava, Vala, you are here.
Yep. We are no smooth talkers. And we have messed up everything already.
Okay then, the flower, who was it for anyway?
Dicky, you're already home.
Yes?
Here, your phone call.
Hello? Yes, madam. What is it? It's okay. Okay then, bye. She has increased my tutoring fees. Well guys, let me change my clothes, okay?
There, get our cell phone. Give him this code to your phone. You will need the number later.
What about the flowers, Valter?
At first, we bought it for you. But as your mother thought that it was for her, we didn't say anymore.
It's okay, Vala. We'll buy a new one for Dicky. We'll bring it tomorrow.
How can it be? Tomorrow is not Valentine's Day anymore.
Then we'll do it next year if you are still around. If we are still around.
It's not that simple. You just don't get it. You have already created quite a mess in my family. Anyway, why did you call me up like that? And you didn't even send Sangi anything.
I swear, we didn't call you. We already told you that we don't even know who is Sangi. But you still link us to your family problems.
That means you did not solve our family's problem. What you did was totally a different things. And it seems my family thought that it was one and the same. Anyway, who sent me the flower? Which one of you tried to give it to me?
It's Zava. He feels something for you.
Zava, did you really give me the flower?
Of course. Why not?
Why?
I feel something.
I feel something for you.
I didn't actually receive it though. But thank you anyway.
Is this the place where a guy with torn sneakers first met a beautiful girl?
Yes, sir, it is. But he changed his mind and married another woman, leaving her broken heart and helpless. She took one torn sneaker and gently hangs it on the wall in her room. Beneath she wrote, "My broken souvenir."
This incident happens a year ago. The world has already forgotten it. They say the girl has also move on, and is now waiting for a man who would be asking for her hand in marriage.
I find that my visitor is well informed. And is that young man my colleagues and a batchmate of my visitor who works at the custom office?
He is indeed.
And the visitor's batchmate asked for the girl's hand in marriage. But the girl turned him down. I wonder if my visitor knows that.
He surely knows. But the young man does not forget the girl. And wants the girl to know that he will always be waiting for her without changing his mind. And he has sent the visitors for that.
Let the visitor inform the batchmate that until the souvenir in the girl's room is removed, the girl has no intention of getting married.
This girl is trying to bask in the sun after sunset.
Yes, the sun has already set. But the girl is willing to stay up and wait for the sun to shine.